H5P content you are seeing in the left side of the dashboard. If you have not installed this plugin, then I have a video tutorial on that. Video tutorial link in description below. Just click add new, and question type, right? Content type is quiz question set. Details, click use. Now you can give here any description, right? True or false. You can change the background, you can change the progress indicator to textual or dots. Pass percentage, you can change that 80%. Now here let's go with true or false question, right? So on title you can change the name here, right? Question: Phewa Lake is located in Kathmandu. This is the question. True or false? Correct answer is false, right? So this is first question. Now go up and click create. We will place a short code in a page and we'll check it, right? For now, let's go to all H5P content here to add another true or false question. You are seeing here true or false, this one. Just go to edit, click it, and go down. Let's add another question. True or false question: Begnas Lake is located in Pokhara. Question, and this is true, right? So go up, click update. Now you are seeing here short code, right? Just copy it and go to our page where we want to show that quiz. Click edit. Let's delete this one, paste it and save it. Now let's see the page, view page. Now we are seeing the question here in our website, right? Phewa Lake is located in Kathmandu. This is false, right? False. Check it. Correct. Now go to next question from here. Next, Begnas Lake is located in Pokhara. This is true, right? But let's move with false. False. Check. Now this is wrong, right? So solution is true. Begnas Lake is located in Pokhara, right? So in this way you can create a true or false question set or quiz in WordPress using plugin H5P. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for another tutorial.